Hi everyone, Sarah Simmons here, OEF board member. Working with Oregon Energy Fund these past few years, I couldn't be more proud to support this organization. So many reasons why, but I'll share one personal story. This past summer, I traveled to Vermont to help my husband take care of his dad, who was recovering from the coronavirus and a stroke. My father-in-law lives in a small trailer park. Residents are a mix of fixed-income seniors and shift workers. It's the kind of place where you know your neighbor and you look out for them. When the coronavirus hit, many of these residents lost their job. One of them, let's call him Dan, was a back-of-the-house restaurant worker. He lived 2 homes down from my father-in-law. Normally, the neighbors in times like that would help support Dan, but the coronavirus really isolated this group. The front porch chatter was gone, and not seeing Dan coming and going wasn't unusual for the circumstances. The week before I arrived, one of Dan's family members had found Dan at his home. He had unfortunately died by suicide. The neighbors didn't understand or know the hopelessness that Dan had been suffering. And it made me realize how effective Oregon Energy Fund's support system is for people like Dan. OEF helps people in crisis that may not have been there before, people that may not qualify for other services or are too prideful to ask for help. The simple act of helping someone pay their utility bills can have a much larger impact. And I wish that Dan had had an Oregon Energy Fund, but Oregonians do. And it's our hope that more Oregonians can benefit from OEF's support. The pandemic has led to an increase in energy insecurity, driven by unemployment and people spending more time at home. Recent surveys said that 61% of Oregonians who have lost income can't pay their full energy bills. Our local utility companies are reporting spikes and customers falling behind in payments. People are giving up food and medicine to pay for energy. Early on, OEF was able to pivot immediately to help COVID-19 affected households. We switched to remote application. We were able to release funds ahead of schedule, and we raised an incredible amount of money in a short amount of time. Thank you so much to the incredible partners and people who have helped us this far. But as you know, we're not out of this yet, and OEF still needs your support. So please join me in helping our pandemic-impacted neighbors. They need it. Thank you.